So, why are you guys here?
Vacation.
Travel backpacking.
Visiting family.
I think we should get off the road.
What?
Get off the road, quick!
I want to be home.
I want to be here.
I'm here in Slovenia to learn more about medically related topics before I start my degree in medicine at Northeast Ohio Medical University.
My extracurriculars all involve music. Here in Ljubljana, I will be working for Budapest Records under MK. And this is the first opportunity I've got to work in the industry, so I'm really excited.
I'm a visual creative. I decided to take the leap of faith and do the internship here to work in a studio and be able to expand my knowledge in the realm of post-production.
This is my first time visiting Slovenia, so I'm very excited to take it all in.
Can't wait to explore all the natural beauty that Slovenia has to offer. Mount Triglav looks beautiful, and I'm really looking forward to trying all the food.
I've been to Slovenia twice, and the first time I came here was because of my family. And the reason I came back was because I wanted to become more in touch with my culture. It's something I want to bring back to the United States. I want to bring to my profession and my career. It's the beauty and the feeling of embrace and being at home here.
I want to learn more of the language and hopefully have a full conversation in Slovenian by the end of the summer. And my favorite place in Slovenia is Bled, or anywhere where there's a mountain or an old castle.
At my internship, I'm really looking forward to gaining hands-on experience, starting to make a positive impact, and reaffirming my passion for science.
I've truly learned more in the last few weeks than I've learned in a long time.
My short-term goals include discovering my calling and establishing purpose, as well as building my confidence.
I would like to be in a medical residency, training to be a dermatologist.
In the future, I want to work in the music industry. Listening to music has always been something I'm extremely passionate about. So being able to care deeply about my work in that world would be great.
In 5 years, I see myself with a clearer direction, likely pursuing higher education in either chemical engineering or medicine.
I see myself doing creative work on a professional scale.
I dream to one day be able to say that I made significant headway in solving the problems currently faced by humanity, as well as having a large, positive impact on the lives of others.
The hope is to continue to better my skill set to be the man I'm supposed to be.
So I think you have some secrets. Why are you here?
I'm here because of that. And despite all, I will definitely come back to Slovenia.